Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new video. This time it's a bit different. We'll be reviewing a power supply. It is Cooler Master's new MasterWatt 750. It's a semi-fanless modular 80+ bronze certified power supply. Now guys, if you've been following me or watching my PC build videos, you'll know that this is the power supply I've been using in those builds. It's a very good power supply, that's why I wanted to make a video on it. The MasterWatt 750 comes in this box packing. You can see a picture of the PSU here. The MW750 is 80+ bronze certified, it's 15% fanless and comes with 5 years of warranty. Let me tell you the cables that come with this power supply. You get one 24-pin connector for the motherboard, one 4+4-pin connector for CPU, 4 6+2-pin PCIe connectors, 9 SATA connectors, 3 4-pin peripheral connectors and 1 4-pin floppy connector. So these were all the cables you get in the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Cooler Master for sending me this product for review. Alright, on opening the box we've got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read it for all the info on the product. And here is our power supply guys. Along with that we've got a lot of cables in the box. You've got different type of connectors. I'll show them to you in a moment. First let's check out the power supply. The power supply comes nicely packed like this. Let me take it out of the box. It does feel heavy in the hand. So these were all the items you got in the package. Now let me show you the power supply. So here it is, Cooler Master's MasterWatt 750. Looks very decent. The build quality is solid. Everything is made of metal. You've got the Cooler Master logo here and there's a 120mm LDB bearing fan below that. It's a Silentio FP fan which the company claims to be quite silent. On the right it says Cooler Master MasterWatt 750. This is actually Cooler Master's new product guys. It was launched recently. And on the left side you've got the specs of the PSU. The AC input you can give is 100 to 240 volts and you've got some info here regarding the total output power it can give. This is the back side. You've got a power socket and a power switch beside that. Let me show you the front part. The MasterWatt 750 has a semi-fanless modular design. It's not fully modular, has these two cables permanently attached to it and the remaining cables can be connected to these ports on the PSU as per your requirement. You've got two 8-pin ports for PCIe connectors and three 5-pin ports for SATA or HDD connectors. Now let's talk about the quality of the cables. The 24-pin and the 8-pin cables are the only ones permanently attached, the rest all is modular. The quality of the cables is very nice. Both these cables are braided and have a full black color, so it'll look decent with any kind of build. And the length of these cables is also sufficient. One is 550mm and the other one is 600mm. The connectors also look strong and durable. Now let's talk about these modular cables. These cables have an all black look with a flat ribbon design and the cable length is also perfect. They are good enough to be used in any big cabinet. And also the PCIe cables that come with this PSU use a higher wire gauge of 16 AWG which reduces the resistance and increases the overall efficiency. I was quite satisfied with the quality of the cables for the price we are paying. The MasterWatt 750 comes with a single plus 12V rail design that offers 62.5 amps and it offers 22 amps on both the 3.3 and 5V rails. It is 15% fanless, that means if the load is less than 15% then the fan remains idle offering 0 dB. And once the load exceeds that, the fan starts spinning gradually. But still the fan was quite silent and I could barely hear any noise. The MasterWatt 750 is 80+ bronze certified, that means it guarantees to deliver an average efficiency of 85%. And this PSU runs on dual forward and DC to DC circuit design that offers much more reliability and stability compared to the other cheap power supplies. This is especially significant in the 3.3 and 5V output rails. Also, when you're buying a power supply, always check for the different kind of protections it's offering. The MW750 offers 6 kinds of protections like over voltage protection, over current and short circuit protection. So to sum up our video on the MW750 PSU, I definitely say it's a good power supply. It's very quiet and stable. Despite being bronze certified, it is quite efficient, but it would have been very nice if it was gold certified instead of bronze. Anyways, this is a great power supply, especially if you're on a budget and looking for a high wattage PSU for your power hungry PC. It costs around 6,800 rupees. Also guys, if you buy this power supply from Havoc Nation store, they'll provide you free cables with the PSU. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.